drop it.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good night everybody. So we are going to discuss our fourth video. First of all, we are from Lex 20043, Let's Play, Group 28. So we will start for the introduction first. So my name is Muhammad Wazir Zakwan bin Mubarak. My number matric is 192286 from Chemical Engineering. So, Amani?
So my name is Manina Srimetis Reading. So my metric number is 206364. I study architecture.
Sharil Aiman?
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Syaril Aiman bin Zamani. My matric number is 198220. I'm studying Malay Literature in Faculty Modern Language and Communication.
Okay, Ashraf Azlan?
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to all of you. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Azlan. I'm studying Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness and from Faculty of Agriculture. Oh, before that, my matric number is 191666. Okay.
Okay, Yi Zijian?
Hello, good evening. My name is Izjian. My matric number is 195661 and I'm studying corporate communication. Okay.
Okay, Safwan?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Anwari and my matrix number is 192074. I'm studying in Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering.
Okay, Aiman?
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Jumani. My matrix number is 191962. I'm from Faculty of Engineering.
Okay, the last one is Ashraf Hadi.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Hadi bin Ramli. My matric number is 192910 and I'm from Bachelor Komunikasi.
Okay, alright. Okay, so for this video, me and Amani will be the game master plan. So for the previous video, we suggested that Among Us is the game that we will be discussed on. Unfortunately, I think it's not suitable because firstly the game is too simple, and I don't think so. There is no language aspect that can enhance our communication. So we have been discussed together to change the game. So we already suggested English speaking test. So let me share about the slide first. Okay, so this is the game that we'll be discussed on for our video. So I hope everyone have played and can talk about their experience about the game. So I will give to the Amani to give a simple brief about the game. So Amani.
English speaking practice is an app which helps the non-native speakers the non-native English speakers like us to improve their English pronunciation. So in this app, they kind of made it for daily conversations such as at workplace, beach, or any kind of situation in daily life. So you can say that it is an app that is well designed for beginners. So have you played it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now I want to ask about the experience from you about the games. So can we start from Syahrir Aiman?
Okay. Thank you for the Game Master 3, Wazif and his pair, Amani. So for the language game 3, which is English speaking practice, my experience playing this language game is my first point. This game can give us many advantages. All we know that the main of this game is for speaking test. But this game also not only in terms of speaking, but there are also have quiz in it. Am I right? So it can help us to improve our language proficiency. For my second point is this game also provide convenience to anyone who wants to try something new, whether it is easy or difficult. This game provide two categories. The first category is a little easier for those who are still weak in English speaking, which is beginner English conversation. And then the second category is basic business conversation. The game's rule also easy to understand for me, and is it user friendly. Lastly, language game 3, which is English speaking practice, is a game that slightly challenges our ability in speaking, and this game is fun and I enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay, that's a good point of you. Can I hear from Easy Jen?
Yes. After this game, there are indeed many steps to improve our English ability. Daily conversations, company interviews, discussions, and many ways. Then through listening, quiz, practice, and record, we can improve our spoken English in practice. It greatly improve our ability to chat with people in daily life senses. Also, the topics inside are really relatively simple. It can greatly improve our English pronunciation. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay, so can I hear from Ashraf Hadi?
Okay, from my experience, play the game English speaking practice. Play the game can practice our English speaking, and we also can listening English conversation from the tools inside the game, and we can improve our English skill and speaking. And also, if we boring to play the game, we can play the quiz to help to understand a little bit, and it also can record our progress, how we can speaking, and also it can increase our confidence to speak English in the public. That's all from me, and I enjoy this game. Okay, that's all.
Okay. How about you, Ashraf Azlan?
Okay, what experience that I can share in this video about the games is, first of all, when I download the games, I'm a little bit surprised about the size of the game, about 62 MB. So like a little bit heavy because when I download and I play the game, I realized that the game need to download the audio because the audio must be downloaded and it can be played. So that's why the size of the game is 62 MB like that. Then what I can share more is about who wanna be to be an American. So it's suitable for them to play this game because they in the game they lot use American accent. So I prefer more to Malaysian accent lah. Like this lah. Like this. Banyak lah at the end of the word ah. I'm very like the Malaysian accent than American accent. Then I think the game is I enjoy that game. That's all from me.
All right. That's a very interesting. How about you, Safwan? About this game?
Okay, thank you to Wazif and Amani for conducting a good briefing for this game. So from my parts, what I see from this game is consists of three parts, I think, three categories, which is for beginner English conversation, business English conversation. Oh, it's a two-part, sorry, two categories. But from what I try to play it, I try to play the beginner English conversation because from these categories we can practice our daily usage of English lah, because it consists of like daily life, chat, small talk, and others lah. And each categories have many types of conversation, and I think it's user friendly lah, because like the other members say that we can listen, we can play the quiz. From after we listen, we need to alert, or the quiz make us alert what the conversation is about. So I think it's a good one lah for me. And then after that we can practice, and then we can record. So from this game, instead of we play other games, other English games, better we play like this game, because it's very useful in our daily life lah. Because when we work, we can often to use English language with other people. So I think it's a good game lah. So that is all for me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, last one, Aiman. Louder.
Basically this game is quite interesting because it different from our previous game, which is our previous game consists of vocabulary, spelling, and other than. So for this game we can play for the others category, which is speaking. So basically speaking is quite hard for certain people. So it have like everyone said, they have a different level from beginning. So for me as a Melayu lidah or as Malay, so it's difficult to it's difficult to speaking. It's difficult to speaking in English for the advanced English. So in this game, I can learn step by step to be advanced in English. So overall, I think I give 10 to 10, maybe. All right.
Okay, all right. So, can I conclude now? Okay, as for conclusion, so this game is very interesting because firstly, is improve our speaking language, speaking ability. We will not, we can directly speak without thinking the word. And secondly, from this game, we can learn how to engage communication with other people. For example, like other industry, how we want to talk about our field to them, how we want to explain to them. And thirdly, this game can teach us how to express our tone, because sometimes we want to mention, we want to stress out, but we just talk as usual like you can. So from the point that I heard from all of you, so this game is very interesting and fun. So I think that's all from today. So thank you. And good night, everyone.
Okay, thank you guys.
Okay.
Guys.